Owning a car can lead to a lot of questions. Birchwood has the answers. Let's talk about it. Winter tires, whether they're studded or studless, are made for winter weather. That means ice, snow, and other types of precipitation that you don't see during the summer months. While you could be driving winter tires in the summer, it's not a good idea for 3 reasons. Summer brings warmer temperatures, and while that's fine for summer tires, it's not necessarily a good thing for winter tires. Winter tire temperatures rating are designed for cold weather, and not for the heat. When the rubber in winter tires is exposed to warmer weather, it could cause them to wear out more quickly. Using winter tires in the summer could end up costing you money. If they wear out quickly, they need to be replaced more often. Depending on the weather conditions, where you live, and how frequently you drive, your winter tires should typically last between 1 and 4 winter seasons. Even without the added wear and tear, winter tires are still not an adequate substitute for summer tires. That means winter tires won't handle as effectively in the summer as they do in winter, which can directly affect your driving experience. Perhaps the most important reason to skip using winter tires in the summer is safety. According to a study by CAA Quebec, exposing the rubber in winter tires to summer heat increases the chance of a blowout. A good rule of thumb for changing winter tires over to your summer ones is watch the thermometer. Once the temperature rises above 7 degrees centigrade, that is a good time to consider making the switch. For all your automotive questions and concerns, Birchwood is here to help. Reach out and schedule your next service appointment today.